Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you for watching my videos again, and today's video is gonna be all about my makeup bag. So I bought this bag in Goodwill. I have a Goodwill right in front of my house, like literally like the next block. So I stopped there, we were looking at this stuff, and I saw this I saw this bag, and I'm like, oh, this is so perfect for me when I travel, because I usually take, what I do is I take like the Ipsy bags, or I have another bag that I bought a while back, but I needed something, I don't know, that can be more organized kind of. So this is the bag, and everything that I use, like I went to Labor Day weekend, I went to Puerto Rico, and I took this bag, and just fits everything, and it's a mess now, it's not organized, so I will try my best to. It is not organized, guys. It was organized, so everything is inside of here, you know. I have like a pocket here with like, and then I have a zipper here, see, and there's more stuff in here that you can put, which this is what I was putting, like the palettes in the back over there. So I'm gonna show you what I have. So we're gonna get started on this, and I'm gonna show you everything I have on my travel bag, and you'll see. So first we're gonna start with the foundations. So one of the foundations I have is the Wet n Wild foundation. I like the coverage on this foundation for the price of it. It's perfect, and I have double, so I have two. So one is for traveling, and the other one is for here for my videos and stuff. So that's one. The other two I brought in for, it's the L'Oreal. I like these two when I mix it together, because if I use the Pro Glow, it's like too oily for my skin, and I usually combine it with the Pro Matte, so it's like even. And since it's Puerto Rico, it's like sweaty and like humid, so this is the two I have. So those three foundations are the ones I brought in my makeup bag. Let's see, now I'm gonna talk to you guys. Primers, I have a bunch of like sample ones. So I have the Smashbox Photo Finish, the foundation primer. This is one of them, and I have a couple samples, so I bring this one with me. I also bring my moisturizer. Yeah, moisturizer, I guess it is. Yeah, it's the moisturizer from Embrolis, which is almost gone. Look, this lasts me so much. I love this moisturizer. Yeah, I need to restock. So this is one. This is one of my other primers that I will take. I also have, for the eye primer, I have the NYX Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer, and I have the Urban Decay, which I have two, so I have this one with me for my traveling. Those primers are the bomb. What else? For my eyebrows, you already know Anastasia Beverly Hills for my little, which is what I always kind of use. I barely change my eyebrow routine, like sometimes. Well, that's one. For the blush, I have this e.l.f., which brings 4, and it's perfect because you have variations in there, which is good. For the powder, I took the Wet n Wild powder. I need to restock soon, so that's that. Highlighter, here, I barely do contour, so I didn't use it. Look, so I have the chocolate from matte bronzer from Too Faced, which is a perfect size to take, if I can open it, which is this one. I didn't use it, but it smells good. that's good. I have two, so that's why I have the other one there. Concealer. I brought two concealers, which is the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline, which I need to restock soon. The other one is Wet n Wild, which is this one. Concealer. For mascaras. Mascaras. I brought 3 mascaras. So I have the Better Than Sex, which is one of my top ones. It's one of my favorite ones. Better Than Sex. This one I got I don't know if I think it was in the Ipsy bag, or I don't know where I got it, but this has been my favorite go-to now. This is the Bang from Benefit. I love this mascara. Dig me. And another favorite one is Tarte. So that's the 3 mascaras I have with me for to set my eyebrows. I have the NYX Control Freak, which is this one. And let's see. For the eyeliner, doesn't matter to me which eyeliner I take, but I have this Hunte Blue Ultra Lasting Formula. I got it in an Ipsy bag, so this is what I brought in with me because it's a perfect one. I love eyeliners that have the Sharpie. So I usually do the elf ones, but this one I got it new, so I took it. So that's that. For then for the eyeliners, like I have the Marc Jacobs. This is one of my favorite ones because it's expensive, but it's just the coverage of the black. Because sometimes you buy eyeliners and when you put it, it's like, is it really black? You're like, what? So, and I have the Smashbox waterproof liner too. This is another one. Let's see. For the highlighters, I had to bring my favorite one. One of my favorite ones is Becca. Her highlighters are bomb. So this is a small one I have from hers. I have the palette, so I'll take this one for my traveling. And I also brought the NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. This is a golden one, so this is like a perfect, like if I wanted to have gold, then I'll use this. If I wanted like a white highlighter, I'll have that one. So that's the 2. I also have my Cover FX loose powder to seal, right? Just one more thing. This is the palette I have taken to do my traveling. This is the Perception Shyla from Colourpop. It's just the colors are so perfect to take. You have, like she said, she made this palette because she wanted to have something to take every time she travels, and it's true. Like she has the white if you need white. She has like a golden. She has like a champagne. She has like a blending one, which will be like this one, like a reddish brown. She has brown, she has more brown, she has orange, pink, blue, black. It's like everything is in here. Like, and what I usually do when I go out is just like depending on what I have, if it's something simple like right now, I just from this palette I use a brown and I use this one here. This is what I did today, and it's just perfect. And I use everything I had in here in the travel bag because everything was there and I needed it, so I just used it there and got prepared today for this. So it's just such a perfect palette to go on your travel bag. Like if you don't have this on your travel bag, boy, I don't know what you're doing. Girl, I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, this is the palette. This is the only palette I've taken to travel, and it's just for me it works. So yeah, I love this palette, Shayla. Now we're gonna go ahead with the brushes. You guys saw that I have the brush for my eyebrows here, which is the Anastasia one. And there's just a couple little brushes that you need for this. So I have the sponge for my foundation, so that's, you don't need a foundation brush unless you need to, right? Unless you want or prefer to do your foundation with brush. But for my eyes, I only have a blending blush and the eyeshadow brush, which is perfect. I'll blend with one and then the eyeshadow to set my eyeshadow on my lid, and you're good to go. That's all you need for the eyeshadow part. Then I have the blush one, which is this one. This is Morphe E34, and I've been using this one for a while now. I think this is one of my favorite blush ones. Then for the powder we have, which is, this can be powder or foundation, because I have tried it with foundation too and it's really good. This is the Morphe Y7. This I got in one of the bags, one of the subscriptions, so that's that. This one I use it more for like the loose powder, so I put a little bit and just set it here. It's like an ankle kind of brush. And this is also for Morphe R4. Morphe R4 is the one. And the last one I have there is the fan brush, which is for my highlighter. So I usually use this or a small one. So you can see I have killed this brush a lot. So I like this because it's just easy to like put it, you know. So guys, that is it. That is what I carry on my travel bag, and I hope you guys like this video. If you have any other suggestions for videos, you're welcome to leave them in the bottom of this video. I'm gonna have more videos coming soon. I have a couple ideas, and I have ordered a couple stuff from Old Time Sephora, so I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff. And I also have a color pop video coming using their foundation and their concealer and a palette for them. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next time, guys.